Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start with Admin Access and the Settings app open. Go to Start, Open Settings, then Update and Security so Windows can restart into Advanced Options. Once there, choose Recovery and click Restart Now under Advanced Startup. This triggers the special boot environment. You do this because Safe Mode requires changing the boot behavior before Windows fully loads. Make sure any unsaved work is closed. Once Windows restarts to the blue options screen, you move to the next configuration steps. Once the PC restarts to the blue screen, select Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options. This path exposes startup settings where you control how Windows boots. Choose Startup Settings and hit Restart so Windows presents numbered options like Safe Mode with Networking, or Safe Mode with Command Prompt. When the screen returns, press the number matching the safe mode you need. 4, 5, or 6, because that single keystroke tells Windows to boot minimal drivers and services for troubleshooting. You will log into a stripped-down Windows where only essential drivers run. The desktop watermark confirms Safe Mode. From here, run your diagnostics, uninstall problematic drivers, scan for malware, or restore the system to a previous point. These actions are why you booted safe. If Windows fails to enter Safe Mode or freezes, force a restart 3 times to trigger the recovery environment and repeat the steps. Otherwise, consider using a Windows 10 installation USB to access recovery tools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.